you often toss and turn at night, or wake up feeling like you barely slept, even after a full 7 or 8 hours. If you're over 35, you're not alone. Hormonal changes, stress, screen time, and lifestyle habits all start to affect how deeply we sleep as we age. But here's the good news. You can improve your sleep quality with a few simple changes. In this video, I'll share 4 science-backed tips to help you finally get the restful sleep you deserve. The first tip is to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Think of your body like a clock. When you constantly change your sleep times, your body gets confused and struggles to release the right hormones for deep rest. Even on weekends, try to stick within 30 minutes of your usual schedule. Over time, your brain will start to recognize when it's bedtime, and you'll fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. Tip number 2. Limit your screen time before bed. Blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which delays melatonin production, the hormone that helps you sleep. Ideally, put away screens an hour before bed. If you absolutely need to use your phone, switch on night mode or wear blue light blocking glasses. Instead, replace screen time with a relaxing activity like reading, journaling, or gentle stretching. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down. The third tip is to make your bedroom a sleep-friendly zone. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Research shows that the ideal sleep temperature is between 18 to 22 degrees Celsius, 65 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Block outside light with blackout curtains, and reduce noise with earplugs or a white noise machine if needed. Also, keep your bed reserved only for sleep and intimacy. Avoid working or watching TV in bed. This helps your brain associate the bed with rest only. And finally, tip 4. Watch what you eat and drink in the evening. Caffeine can stay in your system for up to 6 hours, so avoid coffee or strong tea after mid-afternoon. Heavy or spicy meals right before bed can cause indigestion and restless sleep. And while alcohol may make you fall asleep quickly, it actually disrupts deep sleep cycles, leading to more waking up in the night. Instead, try a light evening snack with sleep-friendly foods like bananas, almonds, or chamomile tea to naturally relax your body. So, to quickly recap: 1. Stick to a consistent sleep routine. 2. Limit screen time before bed. 3. Create the perfect sleep environment. 4. And be mindful of your evening food and drink. These simple changes can make a huge difference in how deeply you rest and how energized you feel the next day. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to PrimeFit 35+. And in the comments, tell me, what's the one thing that keeps you up at night? Let's start a conversation.